right, let's differentiate this. Okay, we are given y equals to 3 on square root of x. So we want to take the derivative of this. Okay, now from here, solution. So let's bring this one down. So we have y equals to 3 on. Now this is square root of x. So square root of x is the same as x to the power half. Okay, x to the power half. So I can prove further as I write this one in linear form as y equals to 3 times x to the power minus half, because 1 on a to the power n is the same as a to the power minus n. You get it? Okay, so that is that. Now from here I can go ahead with my dy dx. So my dy dx is simply, so I'll multiply this one by this, then reduce this one by 1. So that will be minus half times 3. So minus half times 3 minus 3 on 2 x here, and minus half minus 1 2 1. Okay, 2, that will be minus 3 on 2. So minus 3 on 2. Let me write it well. All right, so let's manipulate this one. Okay, you can still prove further. You can leave it like this. So from here, my dy dx my dy dx so that will be minus 3 on 2 times, so we can write this one as 1 on x to the power 3 on 2. The negative is gone. Okay, because 1 over a is the same as a to the power minus 1. Now I can say minus 3 on 2 times 1 on, so this one is the same as x to the power half or to the power 3. So that is square root of x or to the power 3. Okay, so that will be square root of x or to the power 3. So my final answer will be minus 3 on 2 x all to the power 3. So I have divided x as that. Okay, so thanks for watching.